Just another busy day, clear coat framing collision. We have a lot of insurance claims. This one's awaiting the claim. We have this Audi. We have a lot of customers that if they don't have insurance and they want to pay cash, we do a lot of work on the newer model cars and newer cars, sorry. We prefer to work on new cars because we have a lot more experience in the airbag systems that a lot of new cars have. You can see 2013 Corolla, 2010 Audi. We have a 2013 BMW. Later model Camry, 2007 Xterra. Older Honda Accord, and I'm fixing up. Ford Focus, 2007 Ford Mustang, Honda, 2013 Ford Explorer, another one we work with the airbag systems. Just to give you an idea of what clear coat framing collision does. We also service the city of Long Beach. Have another shop there. We got 2013 Acura TL. Another 2013 Honda Civic, almost done. It was very bad. So now you see these cars in this condition, then you'll see them fixed up, looking like the front end's perfectly aligned like these. Just to give you a feel of what clear coat framing collision does. Thank you for visiting Clear Coat Framing Collision.